Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and somebody sent me this picture, and I'm thinking they want to remove the background and print on a shirt. I cannot help you on the quality of the picture because it is what it is. So I traced it, and this was your original picture, and I just went to bitmap. I didn't even resample it because it was already 300. Bitmap, I converted it to a bitmap, and I used grayscale, and I went to bitmap and I traced, and I used clip art an awful lot. So I'm not going to take the time to do it, but you get this when you do that. And this is well, I already got the outline on that one. But you can nudge it around and it's broken apart. So because it's broken apart, and let me put this one back. Matter of fact, I'm going to group this together for a second. Control G for group. I'm going to nudge this one back to make sure it's in the right spot. Then I'm going to nudge it out of the way. I'm going to take this one. I guess I didn't really have to break it apart. Or group it. I'm going to ungroup it. As soon as I do that, my boundary tool comes up. So these are all different parts. So I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to create a boundary. And it's already done it, and there's our boundary. And then just see how that moved a little bit. If you ever see that, go back. Now I'm going to nudge this twice, and I think I still messed it up. No, that looks good. And then just grab both items, select both items, and go right here to intersect. And what that does, that makes an intersection. And now you have a picture as good as it could be because of and you're going to print this on a t-shirt, so you will have no background. And that's how you get the original picture and have that taken away. Hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.